Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wahab Khan. I am very happy to have you here. I am a full-time trader and a certified research analyst. I have been in the stock market for over 10 years. I also have a SEBI registered research analyst license. On this channel, I will share my trading knowledge, insights and tips to help you succeed in the stock market. Guys, my trading journey started like many of you as a beginner who wanted to learn and grow. It was not always easy and there were many challenges, but with persistence, continuous learning and passion for the market, I have reached where I am today, and yes, I am happy. I have faced many ups and downs in trading. However, with every challenge, I learned a valuable lesson. One of my proudest achievements is passing the Zerodha 60 days profitable challenge 4 times in a row. This boosted my confidence and validated my trading strategies. Along with my practical experience, I have completed many workshops from NSE and the New York Institute of Finance. This deepened my understanding of the markets. My passion for researching companies, analytics and providing accurate trading tips led me to start a trading tips recommendation company. Yes, I am a founder and managing director of Trading Sky. I started this YouTube channel to share my journey and help others to understand the stock market. On this channel, you can expect trading strategies, market analysis, educational videos and tips for new traders. I believe that trading is a very profitable venture if approached with the right knowledge and mindset. My goal is to make trading easy and stress-free for you by sharing my insights and strategies. Guys, right now I am at a position where I can easily sell my time value at very high cost. But no, I want to give my time, my hand to everyone who wants to learn and understand the actual trading. If you are excited to join me on this journey, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I would love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with any questions or topics you would like me to cover in future videos. Also, feel free to check out my website tradingsky.in for more information and resources. You can also connect with me on Twitter X or Instagram. Links I have provided in the description. Thank you so much for watching and I can't wait to share more with you. Happy trading everyone.